Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the topic called gates. Okay. So in the previous videos we already discussed the basic gates which are NOT, OR and AND. Okay. We saw the NOT gate symbol and with the truth table, OR gate symbol and the truth table, AND gate symbol and the truth table. So these gates are two types. We already saw the basic types. Then today we will discuss the second type, that is called derived gates. Okay. So derived gates are, one is NOR, NAND, XOR, XNOR. Okay. So NOR having the gate with the truth table, NAND having the gate with the truth table, NOR having the gate with the truth table, and XNOR having the gate with the truth table. Now we will see one by one with NOR, NAND, XOR and XOR, which is the truth table and the logic gate. First we will take the NOR gate. Okay. So the NOR gate's symbol is, it is combined with NOT OR. We call it as NOT OR. So how we will write the OR gate? This is, we will write OR gate. Okay. So this NOR gate becomes, if you write like this, with this is X, Y, and in the OR gate you are writing X plus, but in the NOR gate what will happen? It is X plus Y whole bar. It is a X plus Y whole bar. Now, so this is a gate. Now the truth table becomes, for the truth table, that is X, Y, and it is X plus Y whole bar. Whole bar means, so whatever the OR gate, that is the reverse of this NOT gate, X plus Y whole bar. If it is 0 plus 0 is 0, so it becomes what? 1 in this case, in the NOR gate. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So again, what is the output is now in the NOR gate? See, in the OR gate what will happen? 0 plus 0 is 0. In the NOR gate it is a bar. So it becomes 1. It becomes 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. In the OR gate it becomes bar. It becomes 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1 in the OR gate. Now here it is bar. It becomes again 0. So 1 plus 1 is 1. In the OR gate it is also becomes 0 in the NOR gate. Okay. Now this is the logic gate for the NOR gate. This is the truth table for the NOR gate. Now second one, that is NAND gate. Second one is NAND gate. So same here also, how you combined NOT and OR, this NAND will combine with NOT and AND. NOT and AND. This is very easy. Again the symbol is same as we will write the AND gate. Here we will write like this. It becomes NAND gate. So it is X, Y. Now in the AND gate you are using X and Y. How you are using X plus Y here, whole bar. Here also you have to use X into Y whole bar for the NAND gate. X into Y whole bar for the NAND gate. Okay. So actually how you will write, like how you will write this one is, it is like this, NOT gate. Actual symbol is this one, but when you combine it will show like this, but you have to write the symbol is like here also same. So when you write for this also, NOT gate will combine these two inputs. Okay. Now again you have to write the truth table for this. Truth table. So X, Y, it is X into Y whole bar. So here again you have to write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 4 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 1. So x into y, what you will write in the AND gate, x into y, what you will write, that whole bar. Now it becomes 0 into 0 is 0, but here we are writing bar, so it becomes 1. In this case also it becomes 1. In this case also it becomes 1. In this case it becomes 0. So that is NAND gate. So we will discuss two. One is NOR and NAND. So there is one question. We call it as inversal gates. So NAND and NOR are called inversal gates. These two, NAND and NOR, are called inversal gates because we can derive from all these two for all other gates. That's why we call it as inversal gates. Now, third one, XOR and XNOR. We'll go for the third one. So you have to keep in mind in this the gate and also the truth table. Okay. So if there are only 2 inputs, it becomes 4 combinations. If again 3 inputs, only 1 output, it goes to the 0 to 7. Now we'll go to the third one, that is XOR. So exclusive OR, we call it as exclusive OR gate. XOR, we call it as exclusive OR. Now, what is the logic gate for this is exclusive OR. Same, it is like this. First you should write the OR gate. So here you should write like this. It becomes 2 inputs X, Y. Now in this XOR we are using the symbol is plus with like this. That is X plus Y. This is the logic gate. Now how we will write the truth table? So for this truth table, that is X, Y, X plus Y, symbol, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and last one it becomes 1 1. Now when you write the output for this XOR, you have to keep in mind 2 points. First point, when output is 0, when the output is 0, okay, if even number of ones. When the output is 0, if even number of ones. So when you should write 0, when the even number of ones. Second one, output is, so you have to keep in mind the first point, output is 0 if the even number of ones. Then output is 1 if odd number of ones. Output is 1 if odd number of ones. So these 2 points are very important when you write the truth table. So output is 0 if even number of ones. Output is 1 when if odd number of ones. Now in this case it is 0 0, it becomes 0. So 0 1. So 0 and 1. See output is 1. Here output is 1 if odd number of ones. So 0 and 1 are there, it is odd, so it becomes 1. So here also odd, it becomes 1. So here see 1 1, it becomes even. See output is 0 when the even number of ones. So even number of ones, so output becomes 0. So you have to, when you are writing XOR gate, these 2 points are very important. This is the logic gate, these 2 points, and the truth table for the XOR gate. Now we will go for the last one, that is XNOR gate. Very important. So you have to keep the points what we will discuss for the XOR, 2 points, and same for the XNOR gate also. That is the fourth one, XNOR. So in the XNOR we are using the symbol. This is the symbol you are using. As in the you are using XOR gate, you are using XOR gate, you are using this symbol. XOR gate, you are using this symbol. Okay. Now the gate becomes, so here it is X NOR, X whatever we discussed XOR, for that continuation, combination of NOR and XOR. So that is like this. This is a logic gate. X, Y, it becomes X into Y. This is the logic gate. Okay. Now we'll write the truth table again. Truth table for this. So again X, Y, X here into Y. So it becomes 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, last one, 1, 1. Same, whatever we discussed, the 2 points for the XOR. Here also very important, we have to remember the 2 points. That is, first point produces 1. Okay, when it produces 1 as output, when the input has even numbers, even number of 1 or 0, produces 1, it produces 1 as output when even number of it may be even number of input. Okay, and the even number of input has even numbers of zeros or ones, even number of ones or zeros. This is very important. Okay, produces 1 as output, it gives a 1 as output when the even number of ones or zeros, otherwise it becomes 0 only. So now in this case it is 0, 0, so it is even number of zeros, it becomes the produces output is 1, it is 1. So here it is odd numbers, so it automatically becomes 0. So here also odd numbers, it is automatically becomes 0. Now here see 1, 1, so produces 1 as output when the even number of ones. So in this case even number of ones, now it becomes what? 1. So in this truth table, 0, 0 are the even numbers, so that output is 1. 1, 1 is the even numbers, so that output is 1. Otherwise it will be 0, 0. So as we discussed NOR gate with the logic gate and the truth table, and NAND gate with the logic gate and the truth table, NOR gate with the logic gate and the truth table, XNOR gate with the logic gate and the truth table. Very important is you should remember in the XOR and XNOR, you should remember the points and also the logic gate. So here we'll discuss both. This topic is discussed earlier. We discussed basic gates, that is NOR, OR and AND. Earlier videos I discussed. Now we discussed derived gate, that is the second type, NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, you should follow the logic gate and the truth table. And another point very important, NAND and NOR gate, NOR and NAND gate are called universal gates. These two are called, only these two, universal. So almost I am finishing the video. Universal gates. Okay, so NOR and NAND are universal gates. So here we discussed basic gates and derived gates. In the coming videos we will discuss how it will be derived. Okay, how it will be derived from the basic gates, that is with the NOT and NOR, with OR and NOR, and with NOR, and again NOT with NAND, OR with AND with NAND. So basic gates with the universal gates. How we should derive these two in the NOT gate with a NOR, or with NOR, and with a NOR. So here how exactly you should remember the gates and the truth table. So today we discussed these two types with these basic gates, which already we discussed. Now Dirac gates are very important. In the next video we will discuss universal gates, that is NOR and NAND. Thank you.